Agricultural equipment dealerships today face growing pressure to deliver faster sales, efficient service, and better customer experiences. But disconnected systems, manual processes, and limited visibility often slow down operations and impact profitability. This is where Excellon Software transforms dealership operations with its intelligent dealer management system. Excellon DMS connects sales, service, inventory, finance, and dealer operations into one centralized platform. Sales teams gain complete visibility into equipment availability, quotations, financing, and delivery timelines, helping close deals faster. Service operations become more efficient with structured job tracking, preventive maintenance scheduling, and real-time field service coordination. With real-time spare parts visibility, dealerships can reduce downtime, avoid stock shortages, and improve inventory planning across locations. Leadership teams gain actionable insights with centralized reporting and AI-driven analytics for better decision-making. Excellon DMS helps agricultural equipment businesses standardize operations, improve efficiency, and scale seamlessly across dealer networks. From sales to after-sales service, Excellon enables dealerships to deliver exceptional customer experiences at every stage. Ready to modernize your agricultural equipment dealership operations? Discover the power of Excellon Dealer Management System today. Excellon Software, transforming dealer networks with automation, intelligence, and growth.